Hello everyone. In today's question, we have to find the transition which occurs in yellow sodium D line. So first of all, we will calculate the ground term. As we know that sodium atomic number of sodium is 11 and its configuration is neon 3s1. So the single electron is present in 3s orbital. So first of all, we will calculate spin quantum number s by using formula s is equal to n by 2. Here there is single electron, so the number of unpaired electron is 1. So s is equal to 1 half. Now we will calculate spin multiplicity by using formula 2s plus 1. By substituting value of s, we will get 2. Now we will calculate the angular quantum number L. So the single electron is present in s orbital, this is 0, so L is equal to 0, which correspond to s terms. Now we will calculate the J. Here the orbital is half filled, so we will use J is equal to L plus 1. L is equal to 0 and S is equal to 1 half, so J is equal to 1 half. From this formula, we can say that the ground term of the sodium is doublet S 1 half. Now we will see the transition. So here the one electron present in 3s orbital, which is excited into 3p orbital with the remaining its own spin. So first of all, we will calculate the spin quantum number s is equal to n by 2, which is obtained as 1 half. Now we will calculate the spin multiplicity 2s plus 1, which is obtained as 2. Here the single electron present in 3p orbital, and so its angular quantum number is 1, which correspond to p term. Now we will calculate the J value. So it is from L plus S to L minus S. By substituting value of L and S, we will get 3 by 2 and 1 half. So the possible term of the excited state is doublet P 3 by 2 and doublet P 1 half. In second option, there is a ground state which is doublet P 1 half, but as we calculated, the ground state is doublet S 1 half, so this transition is not possible. In third option, transition take place from S to D, which does not follow the Laporte selection rule, so this option is neglected. In fourth option, transition take place from P to D, so our ground term is doublet S, so this is cancel out. So our correct option is 1. Transition from doublet S 1 half to doublet P 3 by 2 and doublet S 1 half to doublet P 1 by 2.